In the whimsical world of bedroom decor in 2024, lighting transcends mere functionality, evolving into an art form that harmonizes with the soul of the space. Picture stepping into a sanctuary where the ambience is a symphony of lights, each one carefully chosen and positioned to craft a tapestry of mood and style. At the heart of this illuminated haven lies the bed, adorned with a canopy of twinkling fairy lights cascading from the ceiling. These lights, reminiscent of stars in a midnight sky, cast a soft, ethereal glow that envelops the bed, creating an enchanting aura perfect for relaxation and dreaming. The intertwining strands of lights delicately drape around the bedpost, weaving a celestial embrace that beckons one to unwind and drift into a world of tranquility. Strategic lighting elements within the room accentuate its architectural features and elevate its character. Embedded LED strips trace along the periphery of the ceiling, acting as an invisible border that bathes the room in a gentle radiance. These strips are equipped with customizable settings, allowing for a spectrum of hues to paint the room in myriad colors, adapting effortlessly to different moods and occasions. Soft pastel tones during quiet evenings transition seamlessly into vibrant hues for lively gatherings, effortlessly setting the mood for any occasion. Mirrors strategically placed throughout the room are framed with LED backlit edges, creating a mesmerizing halo effect that adds depth and dimension to the space. These mirrors not only reflect the ambient light, but also amplify it, lending an illusion of a larger, more open room, an invitation to bask in the warmth and luminosity. The focal point in the room, a whimsical chandelier crafted with delicate glass orbs, encasing miniature LED lights, hangs from the ceiling. Its presence is a celestial ballet, suspended in air, casting a mesmerizing display of light and shadows across the room. This artistic masterpiece captivates attention, serving as both an illuminating centerpiece and an object of artistic admiration. Tucked away in cozy corners and atop shelves are an array of ambient lamps and lanterns, each a unique piece of art in its own right. Ceramic table lamps with geometric patterns emit a soft, diffused glow, casting intricate shadows that dance along the walls, adding a touch of sophistication to the room. Globe-shaped paper lanterns in varying sizes, suspended at different heights, create a whimsical, floating constellation, radiating a gentle warmth that invites relaxation. The walls themselves are not mere boundaries, but canvases for light artistry. LED wall panels adorned with customizable designs and patterns illuminate the room with an ethereal luminescence, transforming the walls into vibrant, ever-changing works of art. These panels seamlessly blend technology with aesthetics, allowing for a dynamic interplay of light and color that adapts to the occupant's mood and preferences. Trying to complete this symphony of illumination, smart lighting systems integrated with voice commands or touch controls empower effortless customization, dimming or brightening the lights, altering color schemes, or orchestrating intricate lighting sequences, all become simple gestures, putting the power to curate the room's ambience at one's fingertips. In this contemporary bedroom adorned with lights in 2024, lighting is not just a functional necessity, but a transformative tool that shapes the very essence of the space. It's an intricate dance of artistry and technology, crafting an ambience that transcends the ordinary, inviting you to immerse yourself in a world where light becomes an expression of emotion and beauty.